Hello guys. Ngit-ngit. 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 Asa di gurun? Asa gurun? Asa gurun? Asa gurun? Take two. Hey guys, I'm here at JPark Island Resort at Mactan, Cebu, and we're gonna attend some vlogging event later on, and we don't know what will happen yet, but it's gonna be a competition. So good luck for us. Good luck for me. See you later on, guys. Bye bye. So it's gonna be really a vlogging competition. So guys, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. So this is my category, guys. Category ba ni or my location? It's mini golf course and go-kart and a giant chess here at JPark. So ato ta guys. Yo guys, mga to nami sa amuang destinations. Ako muadto ko sa mini golf course, sa go-kart and a giant chess. So mag-vlog ko ana, then post in social media. So please make sure to hit like and subscribe. Hello guys, I'm here at the mini golf course of JPark in it. So I'm gonna be featuring this place. Next is the go-kart and the giant chess. So tara guys, let me bring you to the golf course. Alright. And I'm done with the golf course and I'm now at the go-kart and I'm trying out one. Alright. Guys, dulat na! Woo! Okay. Pwede kayo, init kayo. Kanyang ma-feel ako na guys. So init kayo siya. Pero I'm having fun! Am I having fun? Alright. Yung mga bata na rin. Woo! Lingawan ako sa go-kart guys. So karon na ako sa ilahan giant chess. Pero problema, wala ko'y kauban. Wala ko'y kontra. So ako na lang pirmi. Wala'y forever guys. Let's play some chess guys. Who will win the competition? This is the black or the white? Right, the king. Ako siguro ako nang matay dali kay init kayo guys. Ha. Hey yo guys. Ha, init man ako and I'm going back to the lobby kay mag-edit ako sa mga pictures and go for the contest. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, so the contest is almost done. So nag-post na ni guys, so don't forget to like my album sa ako ang page. Alright, tayo lagi. Nami sa Avalone. Yeah, I don't know. Basta nami sa kananan sa lunch area, sa buffet area. Okay, mga on me. Alright, bye. So guys, mga ata guys. So guys, pakitunta mo daan sa before sa Pontian, okay? So ana na siya. Tanawa lang later. Dessert and fruits guys. Alright. Hello guys, update. Alright. Hello guys. Ako man na may kaon, so among buhaton kay mag-photowalk me para pahilis sa mo ang kinaon. Alright. See ya. Okay. Okay. Right. Whoa. We're here at Aku's Pool Island and Bar. Thank you, JPark, for this mango shake. Alright. So guys, worth it ang pagpainit ganiya. Sulod ka sa top 6. See? 1 2 Alright. Visit here at JPark Island Resort and make sure to vote my entries. Alright? Like and subscribe. Hello guys. So, manguli namin. Joke. At tumadiming SM kay mag-vlog pa. Alright. Bye-bye. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below.
Smash that like button.
Yes. And kanang bell bitaw dira sa ubos. Ano dire? Over there. Or here. Ambot sa. Basta to get you notified. Basta. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Grabe.